So the next project that we have planned is painting. So I don't know if you remember, but the front fender, my left front fender was crunched really good. So I picked up this fender from the wrecker and I'm going to paint it to match. So I've just taken off some where the rust is. It's really rough right now, but I'm going to sand it. I'll sand it 220, but I'm going to be painting it with this Rust-Oleum 2x metallic. It actually matches pretty close to my paint, so I'll show you that in a second. And then I'm going to clear coat it with this Spray Max 2K. It's really good clear coat. It doesn't dissolve with gas or UV. It makes the finish really good. Okay, so let's get it sanded down. I'm also kind of racing the humidity because it's getting hot, and also the sun's coming out, so I do not want to spray this in the sun. It would be a terrible job. Won't flatten like it should. So I'm going to try and spray it while it's nice and cool here in the morning, and then if the sun comes out to help it cure, that's great, but just I don't want to spray in the sun. It's going to go 220, and we're just going to, my goal here is just to stop the rust and to give it a half decent finish. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to wipe it down now with some acetone, and then get it I'll just tack cloth it real quick and start painting. Okay, so here's our finished fender. I mean, you can see it's definitely not professional. There's a few dents there. Didn't bother taking out, and a few other little wrinkles and stuff. But the main goal is just to make sure that it's not going to rust. So the little dents will match the rest of the truck. So we're going to put, now we're going to clear coat it. This is what really is the ticket for this paint job that's going to make it last, is this Spray Max 2K. So it's a two-part, it's an actual two-part clear coat. The way you activate it is you take this little plunger out of the lid, and it goes into the bottom. It goes into the bottom there, and then you hammer it down, and it punctures, and then you got to shake it for a couple minutes to make sure that it's all mixed up. And then once it's all mixed up, you can spray it. But again, highly toxic. Make sure you're wearing a proper mask and spraying in a well-ventilated area. So that's the plunger. Just put it into the bottom. You just hammer it. Make sure it's all in there. And shake it up.